Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix couldn't load try again later on CapCut. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, when you try to add anything, like when you try to add the caption or any other effect and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this issue. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the setting, or you can also go to the CapCut app and then you have to tap and hold this one and just simply have to go to app info. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to storage and cache and clear the cache or storage of the app. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to restart your device and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply you have to delete the app from your phone and then reinstall it again. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.